Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Tony. I'm the owner of Homeowner Repair, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hand pack a cone style bearing for your utility trailer. You can also apply this pretty much to an automobile or a camper if it has a cone style bearing in it. It's pretty easy to do. I've seen a few videos out there. You saw a couple of guys take a finger with bearing grease on it and go around the outside of the cone bearing. That's not how you do it. That's wrong. So I had to make this video, show you the right way. It's really easy to do, a little messy, but I'll show you how to keep clean too. If you like it, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Got a lot of great content coming out. And if you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. So let's get going on this. It's easy to do. All right, so what you're going to want to do is get yourself a decent automotive wheel bearing grease. You can get it pretty much at any auto parts store. I picked this one up at AutoZone, I believe. I use it I use it a ton. Here's the cone style wheel bearing that I'm going to use as an example. So to help you keep clean, you're going to want to get a set of gloves. I bought these from Harbor Freight. They were cheap for a box. They weren't bad at all. So now what you're going to do is you're going to grab a glob of the bearing grease, and you're going to put it in your hand like this. And you're going to take your wheel bearing, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to scoop the bearing grease out of your hand, and you're going to pack it all into these crevices, and it's going to ooze out of these rollers, and that's how you properly hand pack a wheel bearing like this one. You don't want to put your finger in it and run around all the little rollers on the outside of the cone. That's not how you do it. So you're going to kind of scoop like this and just work your way around. You're going to want to see it come out of all these little rollers. And if it's not, grab another glob of grease until it does. Just keep working your way around. Get it right in the palm of your hand. So it can be messy. Doesn't say it was a clean. Now turn it, pack, turn it, pack it. Keep turning it. It does get messy. So wipe this off with your hand. And you can see too that it's come out of here as well. It's all packed in there. You want to look at the indentation in here. There's plenty of grease in there. It's coming all out of the rollers. Just kind of wipe all the excess off. So you're all set. That's what it should look like. There should be plenty of grease all in those crevices. You just don't want to put a skim coat, like I said, around the outside of it. That's not how you do it. You want to make sure that bearing grease is all in every crevice. It's all in the rollers. It's coming out of the little crevice right here. It's packed into the back like that. This one's packed well now. That's all there really is to it. So I hope you guys liked the video. It isn't that hard to do, but it can be a little bit messy. Just kind of wanted to show you the proper technique to hand pack a wheel bearing like that. And yeah, like I said in the video, just make sure that the bearing grease is in all the rollers and all the crevices, and you should be good to go. It's not that hard. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.